Alright, so I was watching a video yesterday and they were talking about truck guns, and I realized people talk about truck guns, they talk about car guns. I've even seen people talk about tractor guns. But I wanted to show you my lawnmower gun. Remington Auto 8. 8 in the tube, 1 in the chamber, semi-automatic 12 gauge. It works good for snakes. It works good for coyotes. It works good for wild dogs and wild hogs, and it'll even work on Bigfoot, Dogman, and the Mothman if you got that problem. Have a good day.